Thank you for joining us. Today we will unlock pure positivity through the power of gratitude. And let's turn stress and doubt into peace in our hearts. Just 21 days of daily listening and practice could rewrite how you experience life. Find a quiet space, take 3 deep breaths. While you are doing this, imagine all your stress and worry leaving your body. Feel the tension melt away as you focus on the present moment. Let's begin. I'm grateful for my breath, a steady rhythm that connects me to life. I am grateful for my body, resilient and capable of carrying me through each day. I am grateful for my eyes, allowing me to witness the beauty of the world. I am grateful of my health. Even on hard days, it reminds me of my strength. I am grateful for my laughter, a joyful sound that heals my spirit. I'm grateful for my heartbeat, a constant reminder of my aliveness. I am grateful for my family, a constant reminder that I am never truly alone and whose love shaped my heart. I am grateful for my friends, who feels like home no matter the distance. I am grateful for strangers' kindness, small acts that restore my faith in humanity. I am grateful for my pets, whose unconditional love fills my heart. I am grateful for my mentors, who saw potential in before I did. I am grateful for my home, a warm sanctuary where I feel safe, where I find peace, comfort, and joy. I am grateful for clean water, a gift that sustains my body effortlessly. I am grateful for nourishing meals, fueling my energy and health. I am grateful for my bed, a soft refuge after long days. I am grateful for light, dispelling darkness and guiding my way. I'm grateful for sunlight, warming my skin and brightening my mood. I am grateful for rain, washing the earth clean and calming my mind. I am grateful for the ocean, mountains, and stars, testaments to the planet's boundless beauty. I am grateful for flowers and plants, filling the world with color and calming my mind. I am grateful for silence, creating space to hear my inner voice. I am grateful for music, a universal language that stirs my soul. I am grateful for books, portals to new worlds and wisdom. I'm grateful for freedom, the power to choose my path. I am grateful for challenges, teachers of strength and growth. I am grateful for hugs, wrapping me in warmth and belonging. I am grateful for kindness, given and received without expectation. I am grateful for forgiveness, mending wounds and freeing my spirit. I am grateful for community, a tapestry of support and belonging. I'm grateful for mistakes, guiding me toward wisdom. I'm grateful for my mind, ever curious and eager to grow. I am grateful for creativity, letting my soul speak its truth. I am grateful for hope, a light that never fades. I am grateful for time, a precious gift to cherish. I am grateful for technology, simplifying tasks so that I have more time for what truly matters. I'm grateful for travel, shrinking the world into a shared home. I am grateful for education, unlocking doors to endless possibilities. I am grateful for art, expressing that words cannot. I'm grateful for love, connecting me to everything in ways words cannot describe. I am grateful for my forgiveness, teaching me that healing begins with letting go. I'm grateful for peace, a quiet refuge in the chaos of life. I'm grateful for joy, the sparks that turns ordinary days into celebrations. I'm grateful for compassion, teaching me to see the world through kinder eyes. I am grateful for patience, a quiet strength that builds resilience. I'm grateful for memories, treasures that time cannot steal. I am grateful for the present, where life truly exists. I am grateful for wisdom, guiding me through life's crossroads. I am grateful for happiness, a choice to focus on what shines. I am grateful for resilience, rising stronger after every fall. I am grateful for my growth, showing me how far I've come, one small step at a time. I am grateful for my talents, letting me contribute to the world in ways only I can. I am grateful for my passion, filling my days with purpose and joy. I am grateful for my opportunities, opening unexpected doors to shape my life. I am grateful for diversity, weaving richness into humanity's story. I am grateful for the moon, reminding me of nature's perfect rhythm. I am grateful for farmers, hands that feed the world. I am grateful for courage, inspiring change from within. I am grateful for prosperity, the foundation to build a life of purpose. I'm grateful for understanding, reminding me we all see the world differently. I am grateful for strength, carrying me through challenges I never thought I'd face. I'm grateful for weaknesses, showing me where growth is still possible. I'm grateful for abundance, not just in wealth, but in love, joy, and time. I'm grateful for success, teaching me the value of patience and persistence. I am grateful for my experiences, shaping who I am and who I'm becoming. I'm grateful to be alive, here and now, in this miracle of existence. I am grateful for this practice and for the abundance that surrounds me. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your heart be filled with gratitude, and may it light your path forward. Remember, the more you practice gratitude, the more you'll find to be grateful for. Let's make every day a day of thankfulness.